Well, we may have a little pre-draft dilemma situation on our hand with Darren Peterson and his camp not wanting to be in Utah. They would prefer to be drafted by the Wizards at #1 or by Memphis with the 3rd overall pick. Now, this marks the 2nd straight year that a top player does not want to be drafted by Utah. Remember last year, Ace Bailey got drafted by the Utah Jazz when that was not his preferred destination. He preferred to stay on the East Coast, and the Utah Jazz picked right in front of the Washington Wizards and took Ace Bailey, who preferably wanted to be in Washington over Utah. Fast forward, funny thing is now the Washington Wizards got the #1 overall pick and Utah got the 2nd overall pick. Washington now has a chance to do the funniest thing and draft a guy that they want, and another guy that does not want to be in Utah. So they can really do to Utah what Utah did to them last year, by taking AJ DeBounster. If I'm the Washington Wizards and got the #1 overall pick, ain't no way in the hell I'm letting AJ DeBounster slide past me at #1. So maybe with, Keontae George and Darren Peterson having the same representation, that maybe